Good morning, students. It is chapter 7th of Snapshots, and the name of the chapter is Birth. And now I'm telling you what happens next when the child was born lifeless and Andrew was trying to bring him in life. He was trying hard to bring the baby in sense in life. He was continuously trying. For 15 minutes, he dipped the baby into hot water and cold water, but there was no benefit of it. Now he was feeling defeated. He was thinking what to do. He was having hopelessness. He was feeling this also that the midwife was watching him in stark concentration, while there pressed back against the wall where she had all the time remained. Although she was continuously pressed herself against the wall where she had all the time remained. Her hand pressed to her throat. Okay, she had put her hands to her throat, uttering no sound. Okay, she was saying not a single word. Her eyes burning upon him was the old woman. Okay, the old woman, she was looking him with burning eyes, with red eyes, when he was doing this activity with the child. He remembered her longing for the grandchild. The doctor knew this also, how she longed for a grandchild, as he had been her daughter's longing for this child. She was having great desire of this child more than her daughter's desire. All dashed away now, futile beyond remedy. Everything was finished now, useless now. There was no reformation for this. The floor was now a dragged mess, means there was everything. The floor was too much dirty now. He stumbled over a sopping towel. Okay, he just pulled one sopping towel. Andrew almost dropped the child, which was now wet and slippery, in his hand. Okay, the child was so much wet, so much slippery that he was just about to drop that child, just like the strange white fish. It was slipping from his hand. For mercy's sake, doctor, whimpered the midwife, it's still warm. उसने कहा भगवान के लिए इसको छोड़ दो डॉक्टर. In crying sound, the nurse said, it is dead. But Andrew did not take care of what she said. Beaten, despairing, having labored in vain for half an hour. Continuously he was trying, beating, and continuously he was trying to bring the baby's breath, but for half an hour there was no use of doing this. He still persisted in one last effort. Okay, still he tried for one last effort, rubbing the child with rough towel. Okay, now he was rubbing the dead child with a rough towel, crushing and releasing the little chest with both of his hands. After that, he was pressing the little chest of that baby with both of his hands, trying to get breath into that limp body. Still, he was trying to get the breath into this limp body. Okay, students. in my next video I'll tell you the further